What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. I thought I'd do a quick live stream here. We've been really killing it right now, guys. Just gave these MU calls at 69, these lottos right here. I posted it on Twitter for everybody. So I wanted you guys to come out here, and I just want to talk to you about the strategy and everything that's been going on so far. Hit me with a 1 if you are here, if you're ready to learn, if you're ready to rock and roll. Let's go ahead and link this on YouTube. Let me go link this to my members in the Discord. We got ads going on here. So right here, where we at? My commentary ads 5AP. Come join me now. Boom. All right, guys, this one is going crazy. This one is going crazy, guys. Oh my God. So literally right here, guys, I just tweeted this right here. Boom. So MU Lotto long calls at 69 full risk. So I gave this one for free on Twitter today. And I also gave it in my new Lotto room. So I have a Lotto room now, guys, that I'm using to basically just do some lottos on Fridays. Really, really nice. Let's let that one play out. That one's going really, really well. Let me go ahead here and let's go ahead here and look at SPY as well. So basically this morning, guys, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through what happened on SPY and why I took the trades that I took. And I'm just going to draw a horizontal line here. So 411 was our line in the sand today. So let me go ahead and draw that. And the reason is, guys, that 411, so any whole number is a very powerful number in general, because psychological numbers, they have an effect, right, on algorithms, on people. They usually have some kind of reaction. It's either going to be long or short. So right here in the morning, guys, 411 was our line in the sand. I posted that yesterday right here, so you could see right here. So these are the line in the sands I post every day. So 411 was our line in the sand today. And you can see this morning, I went short right away, guys, at 411. As soon as we got 411, I went short. And then once we got this 3-minute bar, I also took the breakdown of this bar. So I got in short twice. And the goal right here, guys, is to break the previous day's low. That's the goal right there, guys, to break the previous day's low. Hold on, let me refresh this. Not sure. All right, so there we go. Yeah. So the goal is to break the previous day's low, and that's exactly what we had. So you got to make sure you cover there. And then I flipped over to MU, guys. Man, this is insane. So let me explain this to you. Let me refresh too. Let me explain what I did here. So I'm using a trading tool that I kind of developed. It's called the previous day's range, Fibonacci. So let me go ahead and draw MU here. So what we do right here, guys, is I use the previous day's high and low, and I use this right here, this 0.618 as my extension, because I saw that we were falling down. So I went ahead here and did a lotto at $69. And you can see, guys, it's exploding right now. It's going crazy. Hit me with a 3 if you took this one with me, guys. There's no excuse. I gave it here in my lotto place, which is my new room. And I also gave it for free on Twitter, guys. So absolutely insane. I'm getting my brother to pull up the percentage gain right here. So let me go ahead. So it's already up 70%. So these, honestly, guys, what I'm doing here is insane. I'm just going to tell you that. So yes, last week we gave SPY. This week we gave MU. This is crazy. All right, and let's get the hearts going. This is nasty, really nasty. We're going to look at a few more here and see what's going on. So what else do we have here? So, oh my God, this is wow. This is crazy. So once I'm up 150% on the MU play, I'm up over 100%. Boom, 77%. Comment on this, guys. Help me out with this post, man. I'm telling you right now, man, there's nobody out there that does the stuff that I do. Trust me, guys. Comment on this one, guys. Help me out. Help me. Maybe we can get this one. Maybe we can get these ones going like crazy. We'll see. But anyways, so let's go back here. So SPY, right? We started off with our short. We covered our short there. We're good to go. And then over here, we came back and we hit the MU. And I always like playing like MU and AMD in general, because they're so they're pretty volatile. And when we are trading Fibonacci's, we pretty much want volatility because we want like a ping pong action. Okay, so we came down to the support, pop back up, making money. That's how we do it. All right, boom. This is sick. MU. Nice. Yeah, that one was insane. That one was insane. Yep. All right. So here we go. So what else do we have on the list? Let's go back to the Lotto room here. So the plays that I'm focusing on today are, where are we? Right here. So AMD, MU, GM, KO. So let's go look at those. So AMD. So AMD was even more strong. It did not break anything, right? So it's still in the range. So on the daily chart, it's going to look like a double inside bar. Okay, so it hasn't broken anything yet. So MU was a better reversal play because it noticed it broke through the low right there, and now it's forming a hammer. So this is how a hammer looks on the 5-minute chart right there. Okay, that's how a hammer looks on the 5-minute chart. You got that push down and that push back up. What else did I say? GM and KO. Let's look at GM. Yep. So GM, I am short in this one, I believe. Let me ask my brother. So he's managing the trading account while I go live. Are we short on that one, GM? Let me know. Yeah, I think we took GM short. So hopefully, like what I like about this is if while the market is bouncing, like MU, for example, this is not as powerful. So I love to be short on that rather than short on MU because it's showing a lot more power. Coca-Cola was the other one. This is just horrible. So get rid of that. Okay. There we go, guys. Yeah. So I mean, guys, really and truly, for me giving you these call outs for free, man, I'm telling you right now, guys, it's insane. A lot of people won't be doing this. So I really appreciate if you leave a comment and a like and subscribe. It'll really, really help me out, man. Honestly, just want to get bigger. We want to help people. That's what it's all about. SPY starting to turn here. So if we go ahead here and we draw this up, okay, so let's take the fib from the high to the low like this. That was a perfect 50. That's pretty crazy. So that was a perfect 50 right there. And what we can do here, so that's a 50. So let me put the anchors correctly here. So 411.75. It should be 77. Okay. And then the low is 405.75. So I'm going to talk to you about the plan for the afternoon here. Okay. So 73. And our 50% was 408.75 and the high was 408.74. And you'll see that a lot of the times that's how the algos play it, by pennies. The algos play it by pennies. So anyways, we have that here. So the golden zone here for the short is always between the 50 and the 786 right here. So that's your short. And then the long, I'm going to take it from the 0.169 down to the 618 right there. So that's kind of the roadmap. So I'm going to write this in: golden zone short. And then this is golden zone long. So that's the roadmap for SPY now. So we don't want to play in this area. We want to play off of the golden zones. And I'm just going to go ahead and I was going to post this over to my room. Let me see if my brother already posted it. Oh, he already posted it here. Okay. So we're good. So we got that there. So that's kind of the roadmap there. Hit me with a 1 if you guys understand what I'm talking about there. So what you want to do is you want to play in the golden zones because you're going to get a good risk to reward, right? Like that's always the key. You want to get a good risk to reward out always when you're trading. And that's why we took MU right there. All right. So tell me the gains that you guys had. Who was the guy that had a 300% banger? What are the gains you guys got at MU? Yeah, so the golden, so the back to the golden areas here, and give me some chart requests. Shout out to the Trading Wars Army members. Guys, it'll help me a lot. Like I want to do these streams almost every Friday, and I just need your support. That's it. And I'll be here and I'll show you guys, you know, what I know. But help me out, guys. There's a lot of streamers out there. There's a lot of people out there that don't do half of what I do. And, you know, I would really appreciate it, guys. Here, join. Click join right here. It's $4.99. I'll do my best to go live on Fridays at least twice a month for you guys. And that way we can do these live. I mean, I'm giving you guys free call outs. Really don't know what else to do here. Hit the join, become part of Trading Wars Army, chart requests. I'll take care of you. I do giveaways for the Trading Wars Army members. Hit that join button right now, guys. Let me go ahead and here. Let's see if I can get some joins right now. Honestly, with that MU banger, let's see if I can get some joins. I'm posting it right there. All right, so let's see. All right, let's see. All right, so here we go. What else? Send me some chart requests. Send me some chart requests. What else do we have? Okay. All right, so let's look at Tesla. What's going on with Tesla? Yeah, so this is the same type of trade here. You take the fib from the high to the low. Okay, so you could see there. So this is why I just said the golden zone, right? Golden zone is 0.169 down to here. That's the area you look for. And in this case, we had a good setup here because we had inside bar right there. So, and a hammer. So sometimes you can just wait for the confirmation, and that's going to give you a nice edge as well. Eric Jordan, what's going on, brother? I don't want to say your last name because I might mess it up. Thank you very much for joining the Trading Wars Army, guys. Come on, let's hit Eric up with a TW Army Spy VIP. Welcome. Thanks for the support, man. That's how we do. Who else? Who else is coming to the Army today? Who else is coming to the Army today? Look, you come to the Army on Sunday. I'm doing a giveaway just for Army members. All right. So make sure. Yeah. So there's a roadmap. Tesla. Okay. Right now we also have the fibs on Tesla right here. Let's give it a watch right now. So go here. Boom. High to low. All right, there we go. Okay, look, 618 has already pushed down a little bit. See, you see how these algos are? You see what they do? Watch closely here with me, guys. Watch closely. Let's go to the 1 minute. Watch this, okay? So they come into the 618 and they just take it back down just a little bit. This is enough. If you're trading with a large size right here, guys, imagine if you're trading with like, I don't know, 1,000 shares of Tesla, like some of these big algorithms do, okay? Or whatever, contracts, puts, whatever, okay? Look at this little push right here, guys. You see that? That's accuracy in the fib. We come to the 6-1. It doesn't need to crash. It doesn't. This move right here could pay your bills if you have enough size. Hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. Hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. Right? So the thing is, guys, sometimes it's not about the big moves. These little consistent moves can take those consistent moves, lock in some profits, and then just move on. Okay? So those are the little things that I want to show you. Let's go back. Let's have the MU open here and we can see. Yeah, man, that's a monster, really. Yeah, so SPY is coming back into the golden zone here, right? So personally right here, I would wait for the 618. Okay, so we could try the 618 here. And just for a small size, I already made money on the short, like I said this morning, but just for a small size for education, so we could learn. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's see the initial rejection off the 50. You see that, guys? Here was the initial rejection off the 50. Sometimes when you go down to the 1 minute chart, you can see some nice candlestick patterns. So for example, here we had this inverted hammer, right? So that's giving you that confirmation that, okay, there is somebody sitting here. There is algorithms there. And you could just do a bar by bar approach, meaning you take the breakdown, put a stop loss at the top. All right, here we go. Boom. Boomer Nation, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother. Appreciate that. Please, let's welcome him with the TW Army Spy VIP. Thank you very much. Who else? Who else is lining up today? Who else is going to join the Army today? Okay. So like in this case here, guys, if you don't see a rejection, right? If you don't see a rejection here, if you don't see a pattern, you don't need to take the play. So you could wait until maybe the 786 now. Because remember, sometimes what happens here is if the bear algorithm already exhausted itself on the 50, right? Because it already tried here, it's not going to try again because it already made money here. You see that from here to here. So what we're going to do now is we can just wait here for a 1 minute candlestick confirmation to actually enter. So let's say we come back down and cross it. Let's say we have an inverted hammer. Let's say we have a doji, something like that. Hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. If I bought the books, where do I get the indicators for TradingView? They're all in the Discord, brother. All in the Discord. All my indicators are there. You can get them for life. Let's see how we react at the 786 now. Okay. This is really bullish. So you see the way we're starting to pierce through everything. So what that tells me here is the algo, the bear algo tried over here, and it got a little bit, it got enough, and it's happy. It doesn't need to try again. Okay. So what that means is this is going to be running. You see that, guys? That's what it means, that this is going to be running. Can I get an update here? Can I get an update, guys? What did the 69 or 70 calls go for? Give me an update because I can't check right now. And my brother, give me an update too. Let's post this right now. Look at this. This is the, guys, I gave this at $69. 69. What's the low of the day? The low of the day is 68.89 within 11 cents. It doesn't get better than that. That's the power of the fibs, guys. Hit me with a 7 for the fibs. Hit me with a 7 for the fibs right now, guys. Hit me with a 7 for the fibs. But you see, guys, even though I give these bangers, like my engagement is still low. It's okay though, you know, it is what it is. That's why you guys, you see, I ask for the hearts, because if I don't, basically I'll be irrelevant. Even though I give things for free, the algorithm on Twitter doesn't care, because it's more for like what they like to promote is the people that say the $1,000 to $1 million challenge, which is a scam. They like to do things like that. And the real people that are doing stuff, they don't want to do nothing for them. Well, it is what it is. We keep pushing forward. All right. So what do we have? 367 from Marcelo. Yes, sir. All right. So let's put these here. These MU calls now plus 367%. So this is what we have to do. I'm giving you guys a course right here. Given in real time. Given in real time for free. All right. You always have to, if you do something positive, guys, you got to get the credit for it. And that's something I learned at a young age. If you, like, for example, if you work somewhere and you're working hard and you're doing stuff and people are not acknowledging it, then you're never going to get up. You're never going to be promoted. No one's ever going to give a shit. Okay. All right. Give another. I might give another. Let's see if I see something. Actually, this is what we'll do. There you go. There we go. What do we have? Eric Kaiser in the building. Thank you, my brother. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. I really, really appreciate that. Can we go ahead and send Eric a Trading Wars Army Spy VIP? Thank you very much, my brother. Appreciate you. All Trading Wars Army members will have a giveaway on Sunday. Who's next? Who's next to join the army? I'm waiting. All right. So you could see right here with SPY, this is really interesting, actually. So let me just get rid of the fibs. Is we could see right here that we came up really close to breaking the previous day's high, and we reversed a little bit. That's a pretty powerful type of pattern. It doesn't happen all the time. Let me ask my brother if he took that, because he usually takes these type of plays. Did you take that fib 90? Let's see. Okay, he's in that. All right, so let's wish him luck. So my brother's strategy, I'm going to share it with you guys right now. Hit me with a 10 if you want to see my brother's strategy. Bill, what's going on, brother? Thank you. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Let's go ahead and give Bill a TW Army Spy and VIP. Okay, all Trading Wars Army members will have a chance to win the giveaway on Sunday. Who else is in the building? Who else is ready to join the army? All right, so what my brother is doing is something called the triple fib strategy. Very risky, but very high reward. One of the highest rewards you'll ever see. So what he did right here, guys, is he does not wait for the confirmation. Looks like he might get stopped out right now, which is okay, but he doesn't wait for the confirmation. He went ahead and shorted 3 times on this play. So let's wish him luck, but it doesn't look that good. So he shorted here on the 618, here on the 786, and here on the 90. So he's short 3 times here. And the goal is basically to come back and break this low. And if he does do that, he'll probably make how much times? 17 times his money. So if he put in, you know, $100, he'll make $1,700. He's doing futures contracts. So that's the triple fib strategy. It's oh, there we go, man. Maybe he's in luck. Maybe he's in luck. So let's see. Hit me with a 5. Hit me with a 5 if you think he's in luck. So we'll see. All right. So we'll see. So for MU target, I mean, it's up to you how you guys want to play it. But generally, what I like to do is over 100%, definitely you want to cover. So it depends. If you're risking 100% in the beginning, then you need to cover over 100%. If you're risking 50%, then you need to cover some at 50%. So it's always at 1-to-1, right? You want to cover some stuff. And then from there, you leave a runner. Boom. Eric, I'm up 460% for the week. Thank you. Thank you, brother. That's great, man. That's really good. Today was the best day. Everything came together. What else should we look at? SPY. Okay, so like this is a pretty nasty one here because the bulls are trying to save their week, right? And they need to break over this high of the day, and they need to rally into the close of the week. But the bears are not giving up without a fight. You can see it here. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Back to Tesla here. Tesla triple inside bar on the 1 minute. That's pretty nasty. So you see, it's the same thing, guys. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Walk you through again. So the first time we came to the 618, they ran it down. We came to the 786, they ran it back down to 618. So what a lot of these basically algorithms do is they do something called a level by level approach. Really, where they take the fib and they run it back down to the next one, and they just keep going like this, boom, 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 boom. And it's pretty accurate for some of these stocks, especially the ones that are high frequency trading. They do that a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. Boom. Geraldo, what's going on, brother? Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Thank you for the support. Man, we're killing it today. We're killing it today. Thank you so much. Let's welcome Geraldo with the Trading Wars Army SPY VIP. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you, brother, for being here. Appreciate you. Remember, though, so we're getting into that afternoon chop area. So, we could start to go sideways for a bit. We can start to go sideways. Let's look back at MU on the daily. Let's see. So really here, guys, remember, this was off of the Holy Grail. So you could see, actually, you could have made money both ways here, right? So let's go back to my my levels for MU. So the level for the downside here was 70.58. Looks like Derry might get stopped out here. We'll see. So if we go here, horizontal line, 70.58. So that was our line in the sand for the downside, right, on MU. And this is good because I want to show you guys, right, how I take profits. All right. Hit me with a 7. Hit me with a 7 if you want to understand the profit taking method. Hit me with a 7. Bam, Trading Wars Army is blown up today. Sean, what's going on, brother? Sean Rahman, what's going on, brother? Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Guys, let's hit Sean with the TW Army SPY VIP. Boom. Who's next? Who's next in line? Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Guys, remember, Army members will have a giveaway this Sunday, so don't forget. All right, so let me walk you through. So what I do, guys, is I take the fib. You see how tight this range is? This is an inside bar on the daily chart. You see how small this range is? It's so tight. It's within this bigger range, right? Let's draw 2 boxes so that you can see. So here's the box of the range of Thursday, and here's the box of the range of Wednesday. You see that? So this might help you guys to visualize what an inside bar is. So that's an inside bar. You see how it's inside of the other box? That's an inside bar right there. Okay, I think I got to pull this down a bit there. Okay, so that's an inside bar. Hit me with a 10 if you understand that way of looking at it, because sometimes the candles might confuse you. But look at that. That's just something I thought about right there. So we have a box within a box. That's an inside bar. And if you go to the daily, that's what it looks like right there. Inside bar. All right. So we know that, okay, we know that with the inside bar, the next day we're likely to break out of the range. So what do? Well, we go ahead and we look for these levels. 70.58, for example, is my level to go short, right? And right here, what I do is I take the Fibonacci of the previous day's range like this, and I flip it, okay? So while we were taking MU short, I was looking for Lottos, right? That's where I came up with this Lotto that I did on Twitter this one right here, okay? This one right here, that's this one right here I came up with, is because I used the simple power. This guy is still alive. Wow, what a god. I use the simple power of the fibs. So why do you think this is a good place to get in long? Let's brainstorm here. Why is this a good place to get in long? What do you guys think? Tell me, brainstorm with me. Why do you think? So the first thing is calls will be cheap, right? Because it's going down. So I'm trying to help you guys that are trading options. You want to get a good deal. And I always tell you guys, stop doing the breakouts. Stop doing the breakouts. You don't want to do the breakouts because you're going to get bad prices, bad fills. Okay? So calls will be cheap. The second thing is, yeah, so it's a good risk to reward. And then the third thing is the algos, right? So yeah, so the legs are done. Exactly. Because remember, like me, for example, if I take this short in the morning, right? If I take that short in the morning and I'm bringing it down, okay, I'm going to cover on the fibs on the way down. And then the new algorithm, the bullish one, is going to step in and it has a chance to buy that dip. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Let's see, man, this guy is alive. This kid is alive. Wow. That, I mean, I had a heart attack. I didn't even take this trade, but I had a heart attack. Wow. That's a double top now, guys, right there. Boom. The bears do not want to give up. The bears do not want to give up. Fib settings. Well, the fib settings you should use are the ones on my website because I have some fibs that I'm experimenting with, but these are the ones that you should use right here. Okay, so this is taken from my book. So use these. Okay. The other ones that I am using right now are basically like in the prototypes that I'm working on. But yeah, I mean, if you love the fibs, if you want to learn more, grab the fib book right here, guys. It comes with 1 month for free in the room. So you can trade with us live. Okay. So there we go. So there is a Nirvana somewhere. Yep. So there's a Nirvana here on the 5 minutes. So these are one of our advanced patterns. Let's see if it works today. But Nirvana pattern is an inside outside. You could see what it really means is that it's a trap because you could see the outside bar, it broke to the upside and came back down. It doesn't mean that it has to work, right? But it gives you that edge, that double top there. That's basically what the Nirvana is showing us here is this double top. So, I mean, if you just took this bar, for example, and you went short, you would have already made money. It doesn't have to crash, but it gives you a good edge in order to, make some gains. We could very well squeeze through, but this move from here to here, that's still good money. And if you notice, guys, we keep bouncing back to the fib legs. It's always the fibs. You see, like we come back to the 618, we hold that. Like it's pretty crazy because it's all mathematical. It's all mathematical. Hit me with a 7 if you guys understand what I'm saying. It's all mathematical, everything. Because at the end of the day, right, these are robots and they need mathematical equations in order to take these trades. All right. So I won't be streaming tonight. I really wanted to just take some time and do some live reaction and stuff. So remember with SPY, what we did when we started off today was the 411. Okay, so let me just go ahead and recap one more time for the people that joined late. So 411 was our line in the sand on SPY to go short today. So let me go ahead and draw that. So 411. All right, so I'm going to go back to the 3-minute chart. So we actually shorted twice today. We started off with the 411 short, and we also took the opening range breakout to the downside. And so I'll walk you through right here. So this is my live commentary in the morning. So you can see here, short 411, looking for 410. So that was my first target. Then I also took the opening range breakout. So we had a big short position. That's why I covered at 410 pretty quickly. And then I put the stops to break even. And then as we go down the ladder here to different Fibonacci targets, I continue to just scale out. Okay. And from here, so that was the morning for SPY. And then I went to the Lotto plays by Rich, and I did the MU Lotto long 69 full risk. And that was this play right here, which I also posted on Twitter for free. And that one was a beauty. Some people hit 300%. Some people did. I don't know. It was insane. Boom. Bad Indie, what's going on? $10 super sticker. Thank you very much, brother. I appreciate that. Some of you guys are asking questions where I know that you haven't watched any of the Fibonacci videos. So please go ahead and take a look at the Fibonacci videos. I have a playlist. And here we draw the Fibonacci in real time live. Okay. So I draw the Fibonacci's throughout the day for people that are, me and my brother, we draw them for anybody that needs help. Okay. If you need help with the fibs, we draw them in the room so you can learn them. Okay. And please watch the videos and grab the book, because the book has 50 plus charts. I can't explain it better than that, guys. All right. As always, check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested. Okay. You can grab any one of my 3 books and get 1 month for free in the room. The Fib book will be going up next week. I'm keeping it at $88.60 for now because we just launched the Fibonacci room. Derry is still alive in the SPY play with his short up here. So congratulations. Hopefully he makes some money today. And if you can also just check me out on the main page if you want to just sign up for the room directly. I mean, we really had a great day today. We had the SPY short, and then we had the MU long, which has basically one day has basically paid for the week. That's how you know you're doing a good trade. That's how you know you're doing a good risk reward. So my friends, thank you very much for your time. Please comment, like, subscribe. Trading Wars Army members will have a giveaway this Sunday. Thank you so much for the support. Please leave a comment as always, and I will catch you on the weekend. All right, you guys take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.